Today we are learning about character sets for IGCSE Computer Science, specifically ASCII and Unicode. Computers cannot store letters directly. Instead, every character is given a unique number code. The complete list of these codes is called a character set. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It was created in 1963. Standard ASCII uses 7-bit codes giving exactly 128 characters from code 0 to code 127. It covers uppercase letters, lowercase letters, digits 0 to 9, punctuation symbols, and 32 control codes. Here is part of the ASCII table. Every character has a decimal code and a hexadecimal code. The characters are grouped in sequence, digits together, uppercase letters together, lowercase letters together. This makes sorting faster. Notice that uppercase A is decimal 65 and lowercase a is decimal 97. The difference is always 32. Every ASCII character is stored in binary. Look at lowercase a. Its binary code is 1100001. Now look at uppercase A. Its binary code is 1000001. The only difference is the sixth bit. In lowercase, it is 1. In uppercase, it is 0. The computer can convert between upper and lowercase simply by flipping that one bit. Standard ASCII only has 128 characters, not enough for non-English languages. So extended ASCII was created using 8-bit codes giving 256 characters in total. Codes 0 to 127 remain the same as standard ASCII. Codes 128 to 255 add characters for European languages and graphical symbols. But even 256 is not enough for Chinese, Japanese, or Arabic, so Unicode was needed. Unicode was created in 1991. It can represent all languages of the world. It supports up to 4 bytes per character compared to just 1 byte in ASCII. Importantly, the first 128 Unicode characters are identical to ASCII, so all existing English text still works perfectly with Unicode. The Unicode Consortium had 5 goals. 1. Create a universal standard for all languages. 2. Be more efficient than ASCII. 3. Use uniform 16-bit or 32-bit encoding. 4. Ensure every code value always represents the same character. 5. Reserve space for private use such as Chinese and Japanese symbols. Let us compare ASCII and Unicode. ASCII was created in 1963, uses 7-bit codes, and supports mainly English with 128 characters using 1 byte per character. Unicode was created in 1991, uses up to 4 bytes per character, supports all world languages, and the first 128 codes match ASCII exactly. The disadvantage of Unicode is that it uses more memory than ASCII. Here are 4 common exam mistakes. 1. Do not say ASCII uses 8 bits. Standard ASCII uses 7 bits. 2. Do not say Unicode and ASCII are completely different. The first 128 Unicode codes are identical to ASCII. 3. Remember, Unicode uses more memory, up to 4 bytes per character. 4. Remember the 6th bit rule. Bit 6 equals 1 means lowercase. Bit 6 equals 0 means uppercase. Here are model answers for common exam questions. If asked why Unicode was created, write, ASCII could not represent non-Western languages, so Unicode was created as a universal standard. If asked the disadvantage of Unicode, write, Unicode uses more memory, up to 4 bytes per character compared to 1 byte in ASCII. Pause the video and try these questions. Question 1. How many characters does standard ASCII have and how many bits does it use? Question 2. If uppercase B is decimal 66, what is lowercase b? Question 3. Give 2 reasons why Unicode was developed. Question 4. State one advantage and one disadvantage of Unicode over ASCII. Summary of ASCII. Standard ASCII uses 7-bit codes giving 128 characters created in 1963. Extended ASCII uses 8-bit codes giving 256 characters. The 6th bit determines upper or lower case. 1 means lowercase, 0 means uppercase. The decimal difference between upper and lowercase is always 32. ASCII cannot represent non-Western languages. Summary of Unicode. Created in 1991. Supports all world languages. Uses 16-bit or 32-bit codes up to 4 bytes per character. First 128 codes are identical to ASCII. Advantage: supports all languages. Disadvantage: uses more memory. Exam checklist. ASCII is 7-bit 128 characters. Extended ASCII is 8-bit 256 characters. Unicode is up to 4 bytes, all world languages. Thank you for watching. For more free IGCSE computer science revision, visit www.tuitionharbour.com or email hello@tuitionharbour.co.uk. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.